Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In this video, we are going to install Quasar's Appearance script into our FiveM server. This is all-in-one character customization script, brings together everything you need like clothing shop, barber shop, tattoo shop, job outfits and more. You can even adjust your pet's height, facial features and other appearance detail to create a fully unique character. This script provides you the wide range of possibilities to customize your character in a very unique way. I'll guide you through the installation process step by step and then we'll take a closer look at how the script performs in game. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which you are going to install into a FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. By clicking over here, you can see the preview of the script. The price of the script is 58.49 euros. You just need to click over here and purchase the script. After when you purchase the script, you will receive the script in the granted access section of your Keymaster. You just need to click on this download button to download the resource. After downloading it, you just need to extract the file. Now open the file. Then copy this file from here and paste into your FiveM resource folder. So I'll be pasting it over here. Just like this. Now open the file, open the SQL folder. Now we have to run the SQL. For that, double click over here, open the head SQL, select your server, then click on run. Now open the QS Appearance folder, go to config, then main.lua. From here we can configure our whole script. The script works in all three major frameworks which are ESX, QBCore and QBox. If you want to use the target system, you just need to change the false into true, so I'll be keeping it default for now. And also you can configure the price of using the shop from here, so I'll be keeping it default for now. And these are going to be the blips which you can easily configure from here. And rest of the things you can easily configure it from here. So that's it for the config part. Now open the job.lua. In this section of configuration, you can create a custom clothing shop which is only accessible for the particular job which you have to mention over here. Now open the stores.lua. These are the default clothing shop which are going to be present in our server, so I'll be keeping them default for now. Now open the Quasar's documentation. I'll put the link in the description below. Come to the appearance section, go to installation. Now scroll down over here. So these are the dependency of the script. Make sure to download them all into your FiveM server. Now come over here. Make sure to delete the old clothing resource which you are using into your FiveM server like QB clothing, ESX skin, Illum appearance and etc. So I'll be deleting the QB clothing from here. Just like this. Now make sure to ensure the appearance into your server.cfg. So let's copy it from here. Open the server.cfg and ensure it over here. Just like this. Now in this section, if you're planning to add new clothing pack into your FiveM server, now make sure to ensure this line of code into your server.cfg so that the script capture all the images of the clothing pack and add it to the clothing list. This is only the one-time process, so I'll be adding it over here, just like this. So this is the guide to skin migration. Let's click over here. So if you're planning to migrate your existing skin data, then you have to type this line inside your FiveM server. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now let's create a new character over here so that I can showcase you the appearance in detail. So this is the character menu over here as you can see. So these are the options of our menu. So let's select the character. From here we can select the pet as you can see. There are lots and different types of pet you can select it from here. Even you can select the animal if you are planning to do the animal RP. So I'll be selecting the default character. Now let's check the inheritance section. From here you can select the inheritance of your character. How it's supposed to be look. You can select it from here. Over here you can customize the facial features of your character. So I'll be doing some changes over here. Now come to the hair section. From here you can select the hair for your character. And from here you can see the hair color of your character. And rest of the things you can customize it from here. So let's give the character some clothes. So all the clothes has been appeared over here as you can see. So the options of the cloth is wide as you can see over here. So now let's check out the lower body features. Okay, we have pants and shoes. You can change the texture from here. And the last option is tattoo. So let's give our character some tattoo. just click and you can check out the tattoo how it looks. You can change the opacity from here. So after when you're done with everything, you just need to click on done. That's it, our character is ready now. So let's open the map. Over here you can see all the clothing and tattoo shops which are in our server. So let's go to the clothing shop. Let's get inside. You just need to come over here. Then to access the shop, we just need to press E. That's it. Now you will get all the options over here. All the clothing's option as you can see. Now if you're planning to save the outfit, you just need to click over here. Then give the name of the outfit. Then click on save. Now in the outfit section, you will get your outfit over here as you can see. If you want to delete the outfit, you just need to click over here. Now let's go to the tattoo shop. Let's get inside. So to access the tattoo shop, we just need to press E. Now come to the tattoo section. Now we can access the tattoo shop from here just like this. So let's give some tattoo. There will be two options to pay. First one is cash, the second one is bank. So let's pay with cash. Just like this, we can access the tattoo shop. Now let's check out the barber shop. Now to access the barber shop, we just have to press E. And just like this, we can access the barber shop as you can see. Now from here we can change our hair and everything. So now let's create a shop over here. For that we just need to type /create _ shop. Then press enter. Now over here we have to give the name of the shop. So I'll be giving the name of Zexus shop. Then from here we have to select the type of the shop. We have the options of clothing, barber shop, surgeon shop, tattoo shop and mask shop. So I'll be creating a mask shop over here. Make sure to check on the activate blip on map option. After that click on confirm. Now from here we have to select the area which we need to cover. So I'll be selecting from here. Then the last one is over here. After selecting the area, press enter. So our shop is ready now. Now let's get over here. So as you can see, our custom shop is ready now. Now to access the shop, we just need to press E. So as you can see over here, we got everything related to the mask shop over here as you can see. Now over here, there's an option of toggle admin mode. Just click over here to toggle the admin mode. So the first option is stock management option. Through this option, we can add or remove any item from our stock. By clicking over here, you can add or remove from stock, and by clicking over here, you can delete the item. After when you made your changes, just click on save stock. From here, we can create our own job outfit. Just click over here and give the name of the outfit. Then over here, select the job. So I'll be selecting for law enforcement. Then over here, we need to select the grade. So I'll be clicking on officer. After that, click on save. So our job outfit is ready now. So the main purpose of the admin mode is to manage the stock of the particular shop. So let's suppose you have added new clothing pack into your FiveM server. So you just need to do /save -images. Then press enter. So what will it do? It will save all the clothing components, props, images and everything related to the new clothing pack into the Quasar Appearance. So let's click on save components. So let's select the components from here. So I'll be selecting masks, then click on confirm. So we just need to give first component ID over here and the last component ID over here. After providing the IDs, we just need to click on confirm. So now it will start to save all the components of the new clothing pack into your Quasar Appearance. So this is how the script works. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.